Hi, if you're watching this video, you're probably curious about how to add a different mobile logo to your website. So the logo that shows up on mobile is different than the one on desktop. I'm Christy Price. I'm a Squarespace authorized trainer, expert, and circle leader. And in today's video, I'm going to show you just how to do that. So let's go ahead and jump into our website. I'm here in my chic one-page Squarespace template. If you're interested in purchasing it and giving yourself a head start on building your website, I'll drop a link below. This template is set up for Elisa Jones. Now, this is not currently a logo, so let's go ahead and add a logo for desktop so we can see how things will look different on mobile. All right, I'm going to hit Edit Site Header. I'm going to click the site title and logo, click the pencil icon, and I'm going to select to add a logo and upload a file from my computer. And I have two logos ready for Elisa. This is the desktop logo. It's too small, so let's go ahead and make it a little bit bigger here. I think that looks good. And you can see here's where we'll add our mobile logo when we're ready for it, but let's just save this first and hit exit. And now you can see that we have Elisa Jones logo for desktop, and on mobile, it is the same. And you can see we have the desktop logo here. It's pretty small, so let's click Edit Site Header. Again, I'm going to click inside Site Title and Logo, hit the pencil icon, and then I can change the size of this as well. Save and exit. But if you wanted to have something different here, you absolutely can. Right now we have the same logo on desktop and mobile. They're just different sizes. But let's go ahead and swap this out for a different logo on mobile. We'll click Edit. We'll go into Site Header. Again, click to edit the site title and logo. Click the pencil icon. I know there are a lot of clicks here. Bear with me. And then now we'll scroll down and we can add a mobile logo image. And if you leave this empty, your logo will automatically default to that desktop logo that we added as it is now. But let's go ahead and add our new logo for mobile. Perfect. So now we have a different logo on mobile than we have on desktop. And you could certainly change the size of this if you would like. You can make changes to it in that same menu. So let's hop in to our site title and logo, pencil, and then again, we can adjust the size of the mobile logo here, just like we did before, except now those changes pertain to the new mobile logo image we've added. When you're all set, just go ahead and click Save and Exit, and your site looks amazing. A different logo for desktop and mobile. I hope you found this helpful, and I wish you all the best with your website.